Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do that, you just have to slide your finger like this, then go to its settings, and here you have to find an option factory reset, and then confirm it by tapping OK, and after a minute or so your device will be it restarts immediately. And here you can select language. Let's select English. Then you have to set up your date, set up your time, and now device is completely reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.